Using the SAP BW MDX query driver, you can design formatted crystal reports that are based on data that is stored in SAP NetWeaver Business Warehouse. You base these reports either on queries that are created with SAP Business Explorer Query Designer, or directly on the cubes in BW. In this tutorial, you will connect to an SAP BW system, to use an SAP BEX query as a data source in a crystal report. Note that this tutorial was recorded using SAP Crystal Reports 2011, version 14.0.0.760. To navigate, use the viewer controls or follow the on-screen instructions, if available. Use the database expert in this blank report, to create a new connection to an SAP BW system. Click Database. Click plus to expand, create new connection. Use the SAP BW MDX query driver to connect to SAP BW. Note that the SAP InfoSets driver is used to access R3 InfoSets and ABAP queries. The SAP Operational Data Store driver allows you to access existing ODS objects in SAP BW. Click plus to open SAP BW MDX query. Connections to these SAP systems were previously configured in the local SAP GUI, so they are available to Crystal reports. Choose an SAP BW system. Select FBT. Click Next. Provide credentials to access the SAP BW system. Click in the Client text box. Type 800, and then click in the Username text box. Type User, and then click in the Password text box. Type Password, and then click Next. If you want the SAP Communication Library to create trace files for all client-server communication, for troubleshooting purposes, you can select the Generate RFC Trace Files checkbox. Click Finish. Choose a query from the SAP BW system. Click to scroll down. The CU category contains the available cubes in the SAP BW system. The QC category contains the available queries. Click plus to expand QC. Click to scroll right. Click to scroll down. Choose a query, and add it as a selected table for the report. Select the query. Click the right arrow. Click OK. Open the Field Explorer, to confirm that the query has been added as a data source for this report. Click View. Select Field Explorer. Click plus, to expand database fields. Note that the query is listed under database fields. Drill into the query, to see some of the available fields in the query, that you can add to the report design. Click plus, to expand the query. Click plus, to expand measures. Click plus, to expand this measure. You have successfully connected to an SAP BW system, to use an SAP BEX query as a data source in a Crystal report. This is the end of the tutorial.